In today's lecture, we'll examine the impact of urbanization on modern cities and the effect it has on society. Urbanization refers to the increasing number of people moving from rural areas to urban centers, leading to rapid growth in urban areas. This trend has brought both opportunities and challenges. One major benefit of urbanization is economic growth. As cities expand, they often attract businesses and create more job opportunities. However, urbanization also brings environmental challenges. For example, increased construction and transportation contribute to higher pollution levels, which can affect air quality. In addition, many cities face issues with overcrowding, which can strain public services such as healthcare and education. To address these challenges, urban planners are focusing on sustainable development, which aims to balance growth with environmental preservation. By promoting green spaces, efficient public transport, and renewable energy sources, cities can become more livable and reduce their ecological footprint. In our next session, we'll look at specific case studies of cities that have successfully managed urban growth.